Are you ready for the iPhone 17? A shocking leak reveals Apple might ditch the premium titanium frame for a lighter, more affordable aluminum one. What does this mean for you? Could it signal a new era of budget-friendly iPhones? Or is it just another way for Apple to boost profits? Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to Cellwave. Today, we're diving into the latest buzz around the iPhone 17. Rumors are swirling that Apple might be switching from the premium titanium frame to a more affordable aluminum one. This could be a game changer for iPhone fans, but what's the real story behind this leak? It's definitely an interesting development. Apple has always been known for its premium materials, especially with the titanium frame on the iPhone 15 and 16 Pro models. Switching to aluminum could mean a lighter phone and potentially lower costs, but it also raises questions about durability and overall quality. Exactly. If Apple is indeed making this switch, it could make the iPhone 17 more accessible to a wider audience. But at what cost? Will the new aluminum frame hold up to the same standards as titanium? And what does this mean for the future of iPhone design? Well, it's a bit of a double-edged sword. On one hand, aluminum is lighter and cheaper to produce, which could help Apple cut costs and pass those savings on to consumers. On the other hand, titanium is known for its strength and premium feel. If Apple can maintain the same level of quality with aluminum, it could be a win-win. So, what do you think, folks? Are you excited about the possibility of a more budget-friendly iPhone, or are you concerned about the potential drop in quality? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Thanks for tuning in to Cellwave. Stay tuned for more breaking news and in-depth analysis. Until next time, keep your tech game strong.